What's up, guys? Oz here with Sell Your Home CT. Super excited to bring you another video today about a property in Torrington, Connecticut. So this homeowner approached us because he inherited this property and he wanted to sell it as fast as possible. So he gave us a call. We came in, made him a cash offer, and the property was off his hands within about 3 weeks. So cash offer. So I am here to show you the finished product from our cash partners. We assigned it to a cash partner, and they renovated it, and we are selling it on the retail market, and we actually have already found a retail buyer for it. So really cool to see the entire life cycle of a property from when we find it, when it's distressed and needs a lot of love, a lot of updating, to the finished product. So back here, I just want to show you, this was all overgrowth. Needed a lot of landscaping, and there's actually a yard back here now, so it's a fair amount of acreage, but you couldn't really tell because right about here is where the overgrowth started. So there was very little yard, but they cleared all that out, and the homeowner is going to have a nice yard here. So a nice dormer on the back here, brick Cape Cod home. So this is the outside here. Mud room, all redone. New light fixture, carpet. Show you some pictures of what it looked like before. Again, this property is already under contract with a retail buyer. And it went really fast too. Okay, bam. Absolutely gorgeous kitchen, gorgeous white cabinets, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances. Refinished all the hardwood, and they redid the layout because there was a wall here. They opened that up. Nice open floor plan now. Home sweet home. That's right. All right, let's walk through. Yeah, completely different layout. It's amazing. It's amazing what we can do with a property when we give it some love. Beautiful tiling in the bathroom. New vanity. Beautiful light fixtures, new toilet. Again, refinished the hardwood. So when I first found the property, they had it listed as a 2-bed, 1-bath with the town, but it's actually a 4-bedroom, 1-bathroom. A nice big room here, bedroom. Check out the basement real quick. Nice large basement, they cleaned it out. Mechanical's in good condition. So, plenty of storage space down here. So that's part of what we do. We go and do things like, go to the town and go to the town, tell them they had the wrong information because it's actually a 4-bed, 2-bathroom property, and the square footage was off with the town as well. So nice little nook area here. Another full bathroom, lovely tile. Nice. 2 more bedrooms. Here, LED lights. New windows, fresh paint. I love it. I love to see the finished product and get that to a retail homeowner. Again, it went fast. We got an offer at asking price within about a week. So anyway, yeah, gorgeous. I just love to see the finished product after seeing the full life cycle of a property. So, like I said, it's really cool. We get to see the property off the market when it's distressed. Like I said, the homeowner had inherited this property, needed to sell it quickly, didn't want to clear it out, didn't want to do any repairs. As you can see from before, it needed quite a bit of love, quite a bit of updating, cosmetic updating, and all kinds of stuff. So our cash partners came in, did what they do best, made the house beautiful. We got the house sold quickly to a retail buyer, and everybody wins on this one. Absolutely love it. So if you have a property you need sold quickly, give us a call at 860-255-8617 or visit our website at sellyourhomect.com. We'll make you a fair cash offer within 24 hours, no obligation. All right, guys, take care.